Are you in the market for a small and portable booster pack that can boost your car off in that time of need or work as a battery bank for your mobile devices? Well, then you clicked on the right video. Today, Gulu has partnered up with us to take a look at their Elite Series 1200 amp booster pack. Yeah, I know, I do love these things because they are so handy and can be used with just about anything. So let's check it out. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on to receive notifications. Today we have partnered up with Gulu to take a look at their 1200 amp Elite Series booster pack. We also have our links and details located in the description, so don't forget to check that out. Booster packs are so handy, especially the ones with USB ports that will charge USB devices. I tend to always keep one in my car at all times. So everything comes in a super handy little case. So let's open this bad boy up. Then we have some paperwork right on top. Lay that off to the side for now. In this first pouch, we have the clamps that go on top of the battery, as well as a cigarette lighter charger for your car. Then right here in the center, we have the booster pack itself. Has some plastic on it. Fully charged before use. We'll definitely be sure to do so. Get this off. Doesn't want to come off too easily, huh? Alright, wow, it's got a good feeling to it. Kind of like a rubberized coating around it. Right here on the side we have the smart charging. Then we have a regular USB output. Right here is the 12 volt output. Then the 5 volt input. On the front we have an LED light along with a dust cover covering the port where you plug in the battery clamps. And the button on the side is how you access the LED light. Press it once to turn it on, then keep pressing to cycle through different settings, then eventually back to off. And on the top is where the power button is to turn the battery bank on. We'll have some more power adapters and a wall charger to charge the device. And then in the last pouch we have a USB to USB-C cord. And that is everything you get inside of the actual bag. This jump starter feels super nice and durable. It's rated to work with a gas engine up to 7 liters and diesel engines up to 5.5 liters. Holding 1800 milliamps at 1200 amps, this bank has got some serious power for its size. It's also got great smart protection that will keep you from short-circuiting anything. The chip is built into the clamp plug, where you can see you have some LEDs that will show you when you have the cable on the battery correctly or reversed, along with more protection like high temperature, overcurrent, high voltage, and over discharge protection are also a part of the protection system. And the flashlight also comes in real handy when you can't see too well when you're trying to plug up your cables, as well as would be great to have to send emergency SOS in that time of need. Being just a tad bit bigger than my phone, it makes a great battery bank for it, keeping it topped off throughout my day. And with the smart USB port, you have all the regulations so you don't have to worry about overcharging or sending too much power to your mobile device. And that really helps make this booster pack a great piece of tech for my gear bag or just to keep around in my car for that time of need. I really do dig how diverse this power bank is, from jumping off engines to giving power to mobile devices, as well as you can't forget about the 12 volt DC adapter. And that allows you to convert the power to even more devices like a travel compressor that will keep your tires aired up. So if you're looking into the Gulu 1200A, I would highly recommend it. I've been using this one and it's been great. I absolutely love it. Also keep in mind that Gulu is going to be running a promotion on this device during the Amazon Deal of the Day on October 5th. So be sure to check that out for some extra savings. We have all the links and details located in the description. If you found this review helpful, then be sure to give it a like and get in the comments. Let us know what your thoughts are on this jump starter by Gulu. That is going to be it for this episode. Make sure if you haven't already to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.